Welcome, learning machines, to the instant money blueprint. Okay, this is a big deal. This is one of the most powerful income methods I have ever come across, like ever. I mean, it's so freaking crazy. And it'll only be available for 3 days, and then I will never sell it again. No one can ever get it again, okay? And that's just because it's so powerful. And I don't want too many people to know about it, but I will have a time frame available where people can get in and absolutely crush it. It's that powerful, okay? This is something that, could build you passive income instantly and forever, okay? And it's like crazy, okay? For the input, for the output, it's insane. I'm not going to say what it is. I don't want to just go out there and for free just start talking about what it is. You're going to find out inside what it is, and it's literally step by step. Like, if you don't get money with this, like, you literally have no risk here at all. Like, it's that powerful. It's one of the fastest ways I've ever seen that you guys can make money. Like, it's crazy. And it's stuff you've never heard before. Absolutely not ever heard this stuff before. I go in depth from beginner all the way to advanced, for step by step all the way to, like, in depth. All the way. And like, it's free. You can go a paid route, you can go a free route, but the free route it's insanely scalable. It's super easy to do. This works, okay? And there's no risk here. Like, literally the investment to do this is crazy. And I'm sure you guys see how much of a no-brainer this is. And the fact that I'm never going to sell it again is like, you got to decide right now. Are you going to hop in this right now? Or are you going to literally regret it forever? That's basically what this is, guys. This can absolutely change your life. And once again, there's absolutely no risk here. If you don't get results, like, it's 100% satisfaction guarantee, okay? You guys are all set. Thank you, Learning Machines, for watching, and I will see you on the other side. See you inside.